Welcome to this agricultural documentary. Today, we will explore the fascinating journey of growing sweet potatoes, harvesting them and processing them into Japan's famous traditional liquor, Shochu. Please stay with us, and by the end of the video, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of how sweet potatoes are transformed into this beloved beverage. The first stage of shochu production begins in greenhouses, where the seedlings are attentively cared for to promote healthy growth. Sweet potatoes thrive particularly well in loose or sandy soil, which provides the optimal environment for robust development. The planting process involves sowing the entire tuber into the ground, a technique that encourages rapid rooting and sprouting, even when the soil's nutrient levels are not yet stabilized. As the plants grow, their vines gradually emerge, indicating that they are mature enough for propagation. At this stage, farmers carefully harvest the tips of the vines and replant them in the main fields, ensuring the plants continue to develop even more effectively. In Japan, sweet potatoes are typically grown under a layer of plant cover to retain moisture, reduce weed growth, and shield the crops from harsh weather conditions. Each plant is spaced at a specific distance from the others to optimize the use of space, allowing the roots and tubers to grow freely underground. This cultivation method not only improves nutrient absorption, but also ensures even growth, leading to higher yields and improved harvest quality. After about 3 months, the sweet potato plants have matured, producing large tubers ready for harvest. Farmers first collect the leaves to clear the way for the harvesting machines. Clearing the leaves not only allows machines easier access to the tubers and vines beneath the soil, but also minimizes the risk of roots being damaged, preserving the tuber's quality throughout the harvesting process. Once the leaves are cleared, mechanical harvesters are employed. These specialized machines move accurately along the rows, carefully digging up the tubers and gently collecting them to minimize damage to their skins, ensuring they remain in prime condition for transportation and processing. As the tubers are unearthed, they pass through on board filters to remove soil and excess roots. The combination of machinery and worker supervision ensures that no tubers are overlooked or damaged during this stage. After harvesting, the sweet potatoes are packed into appropriately sized bags and taken to storage locations, ready for transport. After being harvested, the sweet potatoes are transported to the factory to begin a meticulous processing procedure. First, the tubers are fed into filtering machines to remove soil and dirt clinging to their skins. They then go through an automated washing system, thoroughly cleaning each potato to meet food safety and hygiene standards. This step not only preserves their freshness but also prepares them efficiently for the subsequent processing stages. After being washed, the sweet potatoes go through a quality inspection where workers play a vital role. They meticulously remove damaged or spoiled tubers and trim the tops and tails to ensure the product meets the required standards. This process demands precision and focus, as every decision directly impacts the quality of the entire batch. Thanks to the dedication and expertise of this team, each sweet potato is prepared to the highest standards for the next processing stages. After inspection, the sweet potatoes are washed one final time and sent through a sorting system. The selected tubers are then steamed to soften them, preparing them for fermentation. Steaming not only makes the sweet potatoes easier to mash, but also activates the sugar conversion process needed for the following stages. Once steamed, the sweet potatoes are mashed into a fine mixture ready for fermentation. The mashed potatoes are blended with rice and yeast, two essential components that contribute to Shochu's unique flavor. This stage initiates the natural conversion of the sugars in the potatoes into alcohol, directly influencing the quality of the final product. Next, the initial fermented mixture is finely mashed and goes through a second fermentation stage, enhancing the complexity and depth of the flavor. Once fermentation is complete, the mixture is transferred to large distillation pots for alcohol extraction in preparation for the next step. During distillation, the mixture is heated, causing the alcohol vapor to rise and condense into liquid form. The distilled shochu droplets are collected and stored in massive tanks, where they continue to age, developing their rich, signature flavor. This aging process ensures that each batch of shochu achieves peak quality before being released for consumption. The final stage in the shochu production process is bottling, where the entire procedure is automated to ensure consistency, with each bottle precisely filled to meet the standards. Once sealed, each bottle is labeled with complete product information. From there, these bottles of shochu are exported, carrying the unique flavor and traditional essence of Japan to all corners of the world. And so, we have journeyed together from the sweet potato fields to the processing factory, culminating in the creation of delicious bottles of shochu. Every step in this process contributes to the exceptional quality of this traditional liquor. We hope you enjoyed exploring the world of sweet potatoes and shochu with us. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below to share your thoughts and questions. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any exciting future content about agriculture and food production. See you in the next video. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of hazelnuts, a nut that is not only well known for its presence in delicious treats like Nutella, but also holds numerous other applications in both cuisine and agriculture. From their cultivation and care to the harvesting and processing stages, hazelnuts not only offer exceptional nutritional value, but also play a significant role in the global industry. So let's dive in and discover more about this incredible nut in today's video. The hazel tree, also known as Corylus avellana, originates from temperate regions, such as the Mediterranean area. It is a perennial plant, meaning it lives and bears fruit for many years, making it a great long-term investment for farmers. Ideal conditions for growing hazelnuts include well-drained soil, full sunlight, and protection from strong winds. Before planting, farmers typically prepare the soil by plowing and adding organic matter to ensure the plants receive the necessary nutrients. The planting process involves spacing saplings about 4.5 to 6 meters apart. This spacing allows the roots and branches to develop, which is vital for a healthy harvest. In recent years, some farmers have started using advanced GPS technology to plan and optimize tree planting, ensuring each hazelnut tree has the best opportunity to thrive. Once planted, an irrigation system is usually installed. Hazelnut trees require regular watering, especially in the early years. However, overwatering can lead to root rot, so many modern farms use drip irrigation systems to efficiently manage water distribution. This ensures that each tree receives just the right amount of water. In addition, hazelnut trees need special care to grow strong and healthy. One essential task is pruning, usually done in late winter or early spring, which helps the tree maintain shape, develop properly, and ensure sunlight can reach all parts. Fertilization is another key factor for growth, with a balance of nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Farmers test the soil annually to apply the right amount of fertilizer, either through the soil or foliar sprays. Hazelnut trees typically start flowering in late winter or early spring around February to March. They are monoecious, meaning they have both male and female flowers on the same tree. The male flowers, called catkins, are long and drooping, while the female flowers are smaller and less noticeable, with tiny red stigmas. After pollination, the nuts begin to form. Throughout the summer months, these nuts develop inside their husks, protected by the tree's dense foliage. The quality of the nuts largely depends on the weather conditions during this period. Warm, dry summers are ideal for hazelnut growth, while excessive rain can lead to fungal issues or reduce nut quality. Harvest season usually begins in October when the nuts have fully ripened and reached optimal development. In traditional harvesting methods, farmers often wait for the nuts to naturally fall to the ground or use tree shaking techniques to make them fall faster, followed by carefully collecting each nut by hand. However, the modern hazelnut harvesting process using high-tech machinery has significantly reduced time and labor compared to traditional manual methods. Instead of picking each nut by hand, today's farms employ tree shaking machines to create precise vibrations that cause ripe hazelnuts to fall naturally to the ground without damaging the tree. Once the nuts have fallen, automated collection machines equipped with sweeping and suction systems quickly gather all the hazelnuts from the ground. This system not only improves harvesting efficiency, but also minimizes any loss of nuts. By automating the process, farms can harvest large areas in a short time while ensuring high product quality and reducing labor costs. In some regions, farmers also use machines to clean and sort the nuts directly in the field, removing debris such as leaves and twigs. This ensures that only high-quality nuts are transported to the processing facility. Once harvested, hazelnuts are transported to processing plants, where they undergo several stages of preparation before being sold or exported. In countries like Turkey, which produces most of the world's hazelnuts, processing facilities are equipped with modern machinery to handle large quantities of nuts. When hazelnuts are brought into the factory, they undergo a thorough cleaning process using machinery to remove impurities such as leaves, branches, soil, and stones. Sieving systems, air blowers, and magnets are typically employed to ensure that the nuts are cleaned before proceeding to the next stages of processing. After cleaning, the hazelnuts are transferred to specialized drying rooms to reduce their moisture content to a safe level. Freshly harvested hazelnuts have a high moisture content, and if not dried properly, they are prone to mold or spoilage. During the drying process, the nuts are spread out in large drying rooms where warm air is continuously circulated to lower the moisture to the desired level. Once the drying process is complete and the nuts have reached the necessary dryness, they are sent to machines that crack open the hard outer shells, preparing them for further processing steps. After the shells are removed, the nuts are sorted to eliminate any damaged or low-quality ones. This process is typically done through a combination of mechanical sorting and manual inspection. Only the best nuts are selected for sale or further processing. The rejected nuts can be used as livestock feed or for other purposes. The nuts can be roasted to enhance their flavor. Roasting is a crucial step in the production of many hazelnut-based products, including Nutella and various hazelnut pastes and chocolates. The nuts are roasted in large ovens at carefully controlled temperatures to bring out their natural sweetness and rich, buttery taste. Finally, the processed hazelnuts are packaged for export. Some hazelnuts are sold whole, either in shell or shelled, while others are ground into powder or used as ingredients in products such as cookies, ice cream, and hazelnut flour. Turkey and the United States are the two largest exporters of hazelnuts, with the majority of the nuts being shipped to Europe and North America. Hazelnuts play a crucial role in the production of Nutella, the globally famous chocolate spread with its distinctive, delicious flavor. The process begins with the careful selection of high-quality hazelnuts from renowned growing regions. After harvesting, the hazelnuts are meticulously roasted to enhance their rich, nutty flavor. Once roasted, they are finely ground into a smooth powder, making it easier to blend with other ingredients. This hazelnut powder is then mixed with cocoa, sugar, powdered milk, and vegetable oil to create a silky smooth cream. The production process is closely monitored to ensure each jar of Nutella has the perfect consistency. Finally, the product is carefully packaged and distributed worldwide, becoming a favorite breakfast item or sweet spread for many families, contributing to a unique and unforgettable culinary experience. We hope you enjoyed today's in-depth exploration of hazelnut cultivation. If you found this documentary helpful, please leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Do you have any questions about hazelnut farming or want to learn more about other crops? Let us know, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to catch more agricultural documentaries. Your feedback will help us create even better content for you.